What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video, or welcome to RoadCraft. It was released yesterday, so we're going to check it out. Now, of course, I've been waiting for this game since I'm a huge fan of SnowRunner and other games that's from Saber Interactive. But I didn't like expeditions like that. But anyway, we're going to check out RoadCraft today. So now we're going to actually make our company name. So I think we're going to go with Rhino Inc. Let's do that. Rhino Incorporated, but I can't, of course, if I try to do that, it's gonna be too many letters. Incorporated, I think that's how you spell it. See, too many letters. We're just gonna use the short version. Now, I do like this one. It looks like a Range Rover Defender, but we gonna go with this F250 right here. Is that an F250 or F150? I think it's an F250. It looks too big for F150. But anyway, that's gonna be our starter car. So what color do we want? Purple? No. No. I'm digging that. Alright, let's do that. Nope, actually that's too dark. Let's just go for red, since that's my favorite color anyway. For the logo, what are we gonna go for? Ooh, I like, wait, let's just see what else we got. Oh wow, I did not gonna do that. Some of these are actually kind of interesting. Or we're gonna go over no logo. There's like firefighter randoms. What am I feeling? Let's go with that. I like that. Let's start this. Of course, we're going to start at the precipice. So we are subcontracted to assist in reinforcing the shoreline of a phosphate plant. Phosphate? Okay. Phosphate plant. This task is part of a large-scale SNR search and rescue preparation effort for an upcoming storm. Why can I not talk today? Anyway, let's get to it. Tutorial panels. Got it.
Hey there.
Hey, Kelly.
My name's Kelly, and I'll be your friendly neighborhood dispatcher for today. And every day unless we screw something up. Then the company replaces us.
This truck is kind of badass. I ain't gonna lie.
Here to help as much as I can. Not that you need much.
My bad.
First task, you need to head to the lookout point and take in the general layout of that town on the coast. They're bracing for one hell of a storm. I suggest you get on with the agenda before the storm hits.
My bad. I'm just kind of getting lost in the graphics of this game. Even got the little exhaust spurt. Let's get to it. I need to plug in a wheel later so I can play like this. Look around and head for the next waypoint. It's over there. I like the cinematic camera when I'm about to drive off the road. Turn on all-wheel drive, and let's tackle this part. This map is huge. This is definitely gonna be a series.
Enjoying the sights? I often hear they're the best part of your job. At least your job has a best part. I have to make do with cheap coffee and a broken AC.
Aren't you in the office?
Oh, aren't you lucky? Investigate the phosphate plant.
I don't wanna.
Exciting, but who am I to argue, right? Go take a look.
Already on it. Wow. So low gear will avoid unnecessary wheel spin. All-wheel drive will send torque to all wheels, and diff lock or differential lock prevents individual wheels from slipping, but reduces maneuverability. So I guess if we're turning, we're not gonna have the much as turn radius. Which way do I need to go? Let's go to. Excuse me. Can we get out of here? Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, let's go to the right. Go ahead and put the diff lock on. Get that terrain scanner. Yep. Don't want to get too deep and flood the engine. Then we're gonna be as useless as a flooded factory. Go on, do that. Come on, you got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. Trust through it. Ooh, it's getting real deep. Deep and messy. I do have to say, I love the water physics in this game already. I think we're through now. All right, let's go. So scout vehicles are equipped with a wrench that can hook to various elements. Hold RB and aim with your camera to attach the winch to a hook. Why do I say it like that? A hook. Go ahead and back that thing up. Open that door. Oh shoot. All right, we're here now. Ooh, a bulldozer. Cronenwork L334. Go ahead and track that. Never got to visit the Ford base. Let's go ahead and get these things pushed out the way. Go ahead and get in that and get to work. Ooh, it's raining now. Take the parking brake off. And unlike Snow Runner and Expeditions, we actually have working windshield wipers and rain physics on the windshield. Well, not exactly rain physics, but it's water droplets on the windshield, and I like that a lot. Let's go ahead and put this in park and get into the next vehicle. I'm not reading all that. So y'all pause it and then read it.
Hey, you're not a bad navigator. To be fair, a child could handle it if they could reach the gas pedal.
Why you gotta insult me like that?
So, kudos to you. Now it's time to get you to your forward base. It's not much to look at, but should keep you warm. Oh, and on your way there,
And that
be a darling and clear the plant's old entrance for the
that rain is coming in, didn't it?
if the higher ups don't cut funding.
Go ahead and change it to. Oh, I need to cut the engine on first. Change it to sand flattening. That other. Take the parking brake off too. I could use manual mode. And push all this stuff out the way. Get out the area. Get out. Get out. Go bye-bye. I'm just saying, you can feel the weight of this vehicle just in the controller. You can feel every clank of the gears, everything. I just wish I wasn't stuck in low mode. Go ahead and push that out the way. And voila! Another 1,500 for us. And put this back. Switch to our Ford. Let's go. Let me go ahead and track that first. All right, let's go. 350 meters away. 353 meters away. Still can't talk. Which way do I want to go? Would be the best way. Let's go to the right. Because we still got that fog of war on the map, so we got to clear everything up. I love the cinematic camera. Especially this angle. Why is there God rays coming out of a mountain? And we are here at the forward base. I'm not gonna park this.
Welcome. The good news is you're in charge now. Bad news is the storage and allocation of resources are all on you. So use them wisely. And remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. For the company. Well, on to your
Not us.
storm's rolling in. And we need to build a flood wall before it does. Before it rolls.
Yeah, I see that storm rolling in. It's really starting to rain.
First, we need to plot a route from the base to the phosphate plant. Once we do that, we can deliver the crane parts to make the wall.
Let's go ahead and do this and go ahead and get that route set up. Start plotting. We're definitely gonna go the way we just came, because that was a good route. Not exactly sure about the other way. Yeah, that gate's open. Go ahead and dispatch vehicles. Now, while they do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the generator. You have just entered a search area. All scout vehicles are equipped with an object scanner. This scanner will help you locate quest objects hidden within search areas. Alright, so that's gonna be useful. Go ahead and see what we can scan so far. It's like the area that was being. And that's what we need to get. Okay. We get money just for locating it? Okay. Some environmental elements can be pushed, pulled, knocked over, or hooked with a winch. Look for the yellow markings to spot them. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Wow. Homie. I was not looking forward to recovering if I had to. I'm glad we got a winch. I do wish there was damage, because I just smacked the wall and nothing happened. There we are. That's what we need. Oh, there's a way down right there, I think. Let me see. Let me just check before I start pulling this thing. Yeah, that's a way down. So I don't have to pull it all the way back over there. Boop. On back that thing up, hook that thing up, and pull that thing. Yes, sir. Once you get stuck, and back it up. Really? Nope, that's pulling me. Can we stop? Thank you. Put the parking brake on. The parking brake on. It's not doing much. All right, now let's go. Hell yeah, we smart. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow. Look at how much the ground is deforming. All right. Let's check in on our... Are both of them finished?
You wrapped up all the prep work nicely. I knew I could rely on you, which is especially great since I had
Where
you
is
on the
that
job.
going?
You're the only contractor in the sector. The fate of everything rests upon you. No pressure. Besides, the only thing left to do is to build the flood wall before the storm hits. First, you'll need to scoop up some concrete slabs.
Yeah,
There
mama.
should be plenty around your base. Naturally, you'll want to use the crane to move them. Then you need to drop them off in the loading area. Easy as pie, right? I could go for some
You would think
cookies.
so.
Anywho, the
Apple pie?
generator's in working order, so now you just need to make sure it's delivered. Shouldn't be too hard. Just plot a course from the workshop to the phosphate plant.
You say that. I'm only doing it this way because that gate's not open yet, and I forgot to do that. And voila. Big old slow old timer crane. Talk of the anchors. Drop that. Pick that up. Drop that. I get both of them? No. Get over here. Get that. Back it up. Back it up. And one more. All right. Now what do we have to do? Objectives. Oh.
Looks like you'll need to do some hauling. Take the cargo truck and load it up with the concrete slabs and steel beams. Then deliver it to the phosphate plant. And if you're in the mood for extra supplies, you could plot a route between the warehouse and the forward base. It's not essential, but it'll make things easier for you in the long run.
And how many do we need? 3. All right, let's get these things loaded up. And I am having the hardest time of my life right now. Ah! All right. 2 more to go. We gotta load up those 2 beams as well. All right, just gotta get the steel beams now. They shouldn't be as hard. I'm gonna whack my own truck, whack that truck. Just gonna do that. Just saying, if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. And I appreciate it as much as more than you know. Because I, for one, have been waiting for this game. I don't know why, but for some reason, labor simulators. I actually like doing physical labor, believe it or not. I can't stay in office jobs. I'm trying to change that soon. Stop it. Switch vehicles. And we are on our way. Go ahead and strap that. Load up. And voila. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on all-wheel drive. Starting to get a little messy. And we're gonna go the same way as the convoy. Gonna take a right, then a left. As far as I know, we can't upgrade cars yet, but I wish we could because this thing is terribly slow. All right. Ooh, I get to drive that?
Storm's coming in fast, so we need to get that flood
Go ahead and
wall up.
track the
Initially,
objective.
you
Why did I
just
say
need to.
objective like that?
I'm safe back at HQ, but
Let's
the
go and
folks
do that real
around
quick.
town aren't. So, good luck.
Never mind. I gotta update that first. Track that. Ooh. Wrong way. I want to get right in front of it. I think that would make it easier. That's the wrong way. Bingo. Don't mind me, just your neighborhood sim racer and crane operator and load deliverer. I hit that building. You bet your sweet bippy you did. I did it again. Gonna get this one in place. I think I gotta switch to the other one. Mm-hmm. And one more. I don't know about y'all, but I'm absolutely in love with this game. I see a little bit of graphical glitching right there. Where I'm supposed to put the stone, you can see the actual bed of the... What is this? A river. Yeah, you can see the bed of the river right there. But I don't really care. It's so minuscule. And voila. Just like that, we got $10,600 or credits, whatever they want to call it. But just like that, we have completed the first location.
I was worried you weren't gonna pull it off.
Wow,
Keep
Kelly.
this up, I might start getting optimistic.
Well, I hope so.
The company's stocks. They've been crashing lately, but you might have just turned the tide. Now, doesn't that make you feel good? Well, savor it for all it's worth. Talk to you later.
Peace. All right. See if you guys enjoyed that video. Do you want to see more content like this? Please like and subscribe because I definitely want to continue doing more videos like this. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.